HW3, introduced in 2019 through 2023, was Tesla's original FSD computer. It uses a single NVIDIA Xavier chip providing 30 TOPS of compute power along with 8 gigabytes of RAM. This hardware supports basic sensor fusion for autopilot features, but is limited to Level 2 autonomy and struggles with complex driving scenarios. HW4, launched in 2022 and used onwards, represents a major upgrade with dual NVIDIA Orin chips totaling 144 TOPS of compute power and 32 gigabytes of RAM. This advanced AI system enables FSD supervised for full autonomy, supports 360-degree sensing with better redundancy and energy efficiency, and handles higher resolution sensors with faster processing speeds. The key differences between HW3 and HW4 lie in their compute capabilities, memory, and autonomy support. HW4 offers significantly more processing power and advanced features for safer, more reliable self-driving. To identify which hardware version your Tesla has, check the vehicle's build date first. You can also use Tesla's mobile app or service menu. HW4 vehicles will display HW4 in the diagnostics menu, while HW3 shows HE3 or an older designation. Additionally, VIN decoding through Tesla's website will reveal the hardware version. Early Teslas from before 2023 used Intel Atom processors for their infotainment systems. These provided basic functionality for the touchscreen and media playback. Newer Tesla models from 2023 onward feature AMD Ryzen embedded V2000 processors. These offer significantly faster performance, especially for autopilot visualizations and high-quality media playback. The Ryzen processors enable smoother multitasking between different apps, faster boot times when starting the vehicle, and better integration with full self-driving features. To identify which processor your Tesla has, enter service mode by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel while powering on the vehicle. Alternatively, check through the Tesla app. Ryzen systems will display higher processing speeds in the diagnostics menu. Older Teslas from before 2024 use 4G LTE modems, which provide data speeds up to 100 megabits and are suitable for basic navigation and over-the-air updates. Newer models starting from 2024 are equipped with faster 5G sub-6 GHz modems, offering speeds up to 1 Gbps with low latency for improved streaming and faster over-the-air updates. To check your vehicle's connectivity, go to Settings on the touchscreen, then select Wi-Fi and Network. A 5G-capable vehicle will display a 5G status, while older vehicles will show 4G or LTE. Tesla incorporates Qualcomm's Snapdragon X65 modems in their 5G-equipped vehicles for reliable high-speed connectivity. A heat pump is a more efficient HVAC system that transfers heat rather than generating it directly. Instead of using electricity to create heat from scratch, it moves existing heat from the outside environment into the vehicle. This technology became standard in all North American Tesla models starting in 2023, with a complete global rollout finished by 2025. To identify if your vehicle has a heat pump, check the climate controls or your service history. Vehicles equipped with heat pumps will show a heat pump mode setting. If this option is absent, your vehicle uses resistive heating instead. Heat pumps can improve HVAC efficiency by up to 50% in cold climates, which means less battery power is used for heating. This reduction in battery drain translates to increased driving range, especially important in winter conditions. Tesla is rapidly evolving its hardware architecture, moving toward unified platforms that integrate multiple vehicle systems into cohesive, modular designs. The rumored HW5 platform represents Tesla's next generation, combining autonomous driving, entertainment, and network connectivity into one integrated system. This modular approach reduces complexity and improves scalability. Processor technology will continue to advance, with AMD's Ryzen architecture expected to dominate due to its superior AI performance and efficiency in autonomous systems. Tesla is preparing for 6G connectivity, which will provide ultra-low latency and high-speed data transfer essential for advanced autonomous driving and real-time vehicle communication. The shift to software-defined vehicles means hardware will become less about fixed capabilities and more about upgradable platforms. Over-the-air updates will allow Tesla to enhance vehicle features without physical modifications. Looking ahead to 2030, Tesla vehicles will incorporate quantum-resistant processors for enhanced security, 6G networks for seamless connectivity, and sophisticated heat pump systems integrated with solar roofs for maximum efficiency. Remember to cross-reference the information you gather with Tesla's official documentation or by contacting a service center for accurate details about your vehicle's hardware. Keep in mind that software updates can sometimes alter identification methods, so always verify with current information. Check Tesla's website for official guides, owner forums like Tesla Motors Club for community insights, and reliable tech news sources for the latest developments. By knowing your Tesla's hardware components, you can better understand and appreciate its advanced technology, from autopilot computers to efficient heating systems.